Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video for PlayStation tips and tricks. Today we are going to be talking about gaming monitors and what settings you should use or think about changing. And I actually get asked a lot about my monitor settings for PS4, so I'm going to go over those very briefly, and I'm also going to tell you about a certain setting that you need to double check. So first off, on my monitor, I just use game mode, and that's it. I don't change any other color settings whatsoever. And the reason is because game mode on most monitors is designed to limit image processing, which reduces the latency, or the time between what actions you perform on your controller and how long it takes for those actions to show up on your screen. This is especially important in games that require a fast reaction time, such as FPS games, so that is why I use it. So what I recommend is to think about what kinds of games you play, and if those games require quick reactions, then you're best off using game mode, or FPS mode as some monitors call it. Now, the last setting I need to tell you guys about is that one setting that everyone needs to double check, and that is your AMA settings, or overdrive settings. AMA stands for Advanced Motion Acceleration, and its job is to improve the responsiveness of your monitor. Now, the reason you need to double check it is because a lot of people make the mistake of using the wrong setting. So when looking at your AMA or overdrive settings, you should see a couple options, and they are most commonly labeled as high and premium. Now, in most cases, you actually want to use high instead of premium, and the reason why is because a lot of monitors will start to produce what are called overdrive artifacts when using the premium setting. If you want a good example of what overdrive artifacts look like, I'm going to have a link in the description to the Blurbusters website so you can know what to look for when adjusting this setting. In most cases, AMA high is going to be the best choice and provide the most optimal picture while still keeping the response time relatively low. And that's the setting that I use. But there you guys have it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.